If your life hasn't quite unfolded as you'd hoped thus far, it's crucial to remember that every chapter has its purpose, even those that challenge us the most. There's a power in the unexpected, a strength that's forged in the trials we face that primes us for a stunning comeback. This video is about that spirit of resurgence, a testament to the fact that when you rise from the ashes, your comeback will not just be a return, but a bold declaration of your resilience. Today, we look into what makes a comeback truly impactful and how you, as one of the chosen ones, are equipped to turn your trials into triumphs that will inevitably shock everyone. A comeback is more than just getting back to where you were before a setback. It's about pushing beyond your previous boundaries and achieving more than you or anyone else might have expected. It's a renewal of your commitment to your goals and a rebirth of your passion for your pursuits. Think of it as a second chance, not just to rectify past mistakes but to improve upon them, to find new opportunities for growth, and to refine your approach based on what you've learned from experience. Whether these setbacks are in your personal life, your career, or even your health, the essence of a comeback lies in the transformation that follows. It involves a profound evolution of your character and your life's trajectory. When we talk about comebacks, we often picture dramatic recoveries and immediate success stories. The reality is that true comebacks happen gradually through consistent effort. They're not just about achieving one large goal but about the small, daily victories that accumulate over time. A comeback is pieced together from moments of choosing to move forward, even when it's easier to stand still. It's about persistence and the quiet determination that fuels progress each day. Setbacks can catch even the best of us off guard. They're those moments when life suddenly shifts off its axis, leaving us to question our next steps. These challenges vary widely, from professional hurdles like unexpected job losses or business failures, to personal trials such as severe health diagnoses or significant personal losses. Each one has the potential to disrupt our lives significantly. But it's not the nature of the setback itself but our response to it that truly defines the outcome. In the initial moments of facing a setback, it's natural to feel overwhelmed and unsure. But it is precisely in these moments that the foundation for your comeback begins to set. It's here, in the midst of turmoil, that you make a critical choice. To succumb to despair or to find the resilience to press forward. It is important to recognize these setbacks not as endpoints but as part of a larger narrative. By doing so, you shift your perspective from one of victimhood to one of empowerment. Each setback, no matter how dire, offers valuable lessons that contribute to a deeper understanding of yourself and your capabilities. It's about taking the time to analyze what went wrong, understanding what can be done differently, and deciding how you can move forward in a more informed and strategic manner. A turning point in a comeback can often be a moment of clarity or realization, a spark that ignites your resolve to change the trajectory of your life. This is where you begin to see the potential for a future beyond your setbacks. The turning point is crucial because it represents a shift from reacting to the circumstances you're dealt to proactively shaping your path forward. It's about making a deliberate decision to not only return to your former state but to transcend it. This turning point often occurs when you've reached what feels like the lowest ebb, the point where the only way left is up. It's a deeply personal revolution, where the focus shifts from external influences to internal strength. You start to compile your insights from past experiences, using them as stepping stones rather than stumbling blocks. It's less about what happened to you and more about how you choose to write the next chapter. The power lies in recognizing that you have the capability to redefine your boundaries and set new, higher standards for yourself. Central to every comeback is the cultivation of mental resilience. This resilience enables you to navigate through the uncertainty and difficulties that come with setbacks. Building mental toughness is akin to strengthening a muscle, it grows more robust with use. By fostering resilience, you prepare yourself to face challenges with a mindset geared toward solutions rather than problems. Mental resilience is developed through consistent practices that support your mental and emotional health. It involves maintaining a positive outlook, managing stress effectively, and committing to your personal growth regardless of the circumstances. It's also about maintaining hope and optimism in the face of adversity. When you cultivate these traits, you equip yourself to handle future challenges more effectively, ensuring that each setback is met with a fortified spirit and a proactive stance. Resilience doesn't mean not feeling the impact of setbacks, rather, it signifies a quicker recovery and a steadfast focus on moving forward. It's about acknowledging your emotions and situations without letting them dictate your actions. This mental state empowers you to take actionable steps towards your comeback, even when the path is unclear. It involves setting realistic, achievable goals and breaking them down into manageable tasks, each one an integral step towards rebuilding your life. While the journey to a comeback may often feel solitary, the importance of support systems cannot be overstated. Having a network of support, whether through friends, family, or professional mentors, provides a foundation of encouragement and advice that is invaluable during times of change. These support systems offer not just emotional backing but also practical guidance to navigate through the intricacies of recovery and rebuilding. A key benefit of having a strong support network is the diverse perspectives they can offer. When you're deeply entrenched in your situation, it can be challenging to see all possible avenues for action. Supporters act as mirrors and sounding boards, helping you to see potential you might not recognize on your own. They remind you of your strengths when you are likely to forget them and encourage you to keep moving forward when you doubt the possibility of success. Once you have established your mental resilience and drawn strength from your support system, the next step is to lay down concrete strategies for your comeback. This involves planning with a clear head and setting realistic, measurable, and timely goals. The focus here is on building a structured approach to recovery, where every action taken is a calculated step towards regaining stability and achieving new successes. Goal setting in this context is about identifying what you want to achieve in both the short and long term. It involves understanding where you want to be and mapping out the steps necessary to get there. These goals should be challenging enough to motivate you, yet achievable enough to keep frustration and discouragement at bay. Breaking larger goals into smaller, manageable tasks helps maintain momentum and creates a sense of accomplishment as each is achieved. Another vital strategy is continuous learning. Whether it's updating skills in your professional field, learning new coping strategies, or simply gaining more knowledge about your personal health and wellness, education is a powerful tool in the rebuilding process. It not only equips you with the necessary tools to face new challenges but also boosts your confidence as you make progress. One of the most powerful tools at your disposal during a comeback is self-belief. This intrinsic faith in your own capabilities acts as the engine driving all your efforts and is essential for sustaining momentum. Self-belief isn't about harboring unrealistic expectations or underestimating the challenges ahead. It's about maintaining a confident outlook that you have what it takes to surmount obstacles and achieve your goals. Cultivating this self-belief involves reaffirming your worth and capabilities. It requires you to challenge negative thoughts and replace them with affirmations of your ability to handle whatever comes your way. This mental practice helps solidify your resolve and keeps you focused on your objectives, making it easier to bounce back from setbacks. It encourages a mindset that views each failure not as a blockade but as a stepping stone toward success, instilling a relentless pursuit of your goals. While you begin to lay the groundwork for your comeback, preparing for the success that will follow is crucial. Anticipating success involves not just envisioning the end goal but also planning the steps you will take once you achieve it. This preparation is both practical and psychological, ensuring that you are ready to handle the new opportunities and challenges that come with success. Practical preparation might include organizing your time and resources or setting up systems that will support your continued growth. Psychologically, preparing for success means conditioning your mind to handle victory as gracefully as you handle setbacks. It's about understanding that success can bring its own pressures and ensuring you are mentally equipped to deal with them. This part of your journey requires you to think ahead and align your current actions with your future goals, fostering a seamless transition into your next phase of life. Your comeback is a testament to your resilience and ability to navigate the complexities of life's challenges. Each step taken on this journey fortifies your determination and sharpens your focus, gradually paving the way to a success that will indeed shock everyone, not just by its magnitude but by its profound impact on your life and character. Your comeback is not just about reaching a destination but about growing through the journey. It involves learning from each setback, adapting your strategies, and continuously pushing towards greater achievements. With each small victory, you build momentum, and with consistent effort, your comeback becomes a powerful narrative of personal triumph. Remember to keep a steadfast focus on your goals, lean on your support systems, and maintain a resilient spirit. Your comeback story is uniquely yours, and it's ready to unfold in ways that will not only surprise those around you but also redefine your understanding of what you are capable of achieving. So, take this message forward, believe in your journey, stay committed to your goals, and prepare to shock everyone with your resilience and success.